Want to control real devices with your phone using just Wi-Fi? Today I'll show you how to turn an LED on and off with an ESP32. The components required for this project are one ESP32 board, one LED, a breadboard and jumper wires, and a USB cable. For the connections, connect the long leg of the LED to GPIO2 using a jumper. The short leg connects to GND in the coding section. Now open Arduino IDE on your computer. Make sure your board is set to ESP32 and the correct port is selected. Copy the full code from the video description and paste it into the Arduino IDE. Before uploading, don't forget to change the Wi-Fi name and password to match your own network. Now upload the code and open the serial monitor. You'll see the IP address of your ESP32 once it connects to Wi-Fi. Type that IP address into your browser. You'll see two buttons, on and off. Tap on to turn on the LED, tap off to turn it off. That's it. You've built a simple Wi-Fi controlled LED project using the ESP32. Like this video and subscribe for more beginner projects.